Hey guys, good morning. It's about 10 a.m. now. I'm gonna be uploading this here any minute. I basically had a busy morning. Got work. I was out. I guess woke up about 6:30 or so, and pumping, doing work, and then helped my brother-in-law. Helped with moving some cryptos around, and so basically, guys, if you're not in crypto, you're missing out because holy smokes. Look at this Coinbase. I'm going to read this error if y'all can. I don't know if this is backwards or not, but you can read minor service outage. We're experiencing slower than normal load times, and some customers may experience degraded performance when using Coinbase.com. We appreciate your patience while we work to resolve this as quickly as possible. Yeah, dude, we're breaking the internet because I'm telling you, everybody wants crypto. Everybody's trying to get it through Coinbase because that's the easiest way in the U.S. to get crypto. So if you haven't done it already, I'll try and post a link to Coinbase and download the app. Try and verify. The issue here, it says, why am I receiving a CVN error? It's the volume, guys. They're having trouble dealing with how many people are trying to get in on Coinbase and watch this. The market is exploding. But the benefit to having Coinbase is over time, your limits and your what do you call the spending limits? I guess they increase. I'm gonna show you here real quick. You see that Coinbase, your limit has increased 25K. If I had $25,000 cash to put in at once to buy Bitcoin, they're saying I could do it. I currently don't want to transfer $25,000 worth of cash at a time, probably because my bank's going to be like, "What are you buying?" and throw up all kinds of flags on what we're doing. But anyhow, if the first purchase I think is like $50 to $100, and then after that they bump up your limit. Also, if you verify your account, they will bump up your limit to like 1,000 or 1,500 or something. So go ahead and look at your settings and try and get verified because you can buy more at a time, and you don't have to jump through as many hoops after the fact. But once you're set up to Coinbase is great. The fact is, the market cap's over 80 billion now, which is quadrupled over a very short period of time. So I'm sure every exchange is having issues because I'm seeing it. I'm seeing glitches. I'm seeing lag times and problems. But the benefit is the sooner you're in, the sooner you can be benefiting from the market as a whole. And like I said, my limit just increased again. So keep working at it. Don't get discouraged if it's freaking out on you. Just take your time on it. But also once you're in, you get to see these prices booming. Coinbase, let's see here. Bitcoin's hit 2389, 2390. It's already actually broken over 2400. Ethereum looking at 195, and Litecoin $31. It's already broken $33, which is excellent. And another thing I wanted to mention to you guys that a lot of people are trying to figure out when should I buy which currencies. If you buy any of the three on Coinbase, and anybody that's been in this over a month will be able to tell you, if we were just to buy and hold, I mean, look at what the prices have done. You would see what 300% plus return on anything that you would have bought on Coinbase, and it's just go buy and hold is a legitimate strategy in investing, and especially with these top three coins here on Coinbase. They're definitely within the top ranking spots, and they're long-term coins that you don't got to worry about if they're going to crash in the short term because they've been around for a while, and they've got great development teams. So buy and hold is a great idea. And this is the other, they say that time in the market is greater or beats timing the market. So the earlier you can get in and hold, the better chance you have of increasing over time, because that's still an early adopters market, guys. We're still going to see more booms like this. I do feel like it's a fast expansion. It could be because the market's finally starting to take notice and coming in because it's still such a small segment of the U.S. population that's doing this. But it could be too fast of a growth, and it could pull back significantly, like the whole market, 30% or so. I don't know what's going to happen next. Nobody does. But basically, even if the whole market pulls by 30%, I'm not worried about it. I'm going to keep buying and holding Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I'm probably going to get back into Litecoin again. I'm going to be watching for a dip and seeing. Probably going to hold some, long term as well on that. But guys, I have over 20 different cryptocurrencies, and I told you guys it took me 101 days to hit $20,000 in return, and I'm well over $20,000 in profit, and that's just where I'm comfortable sharing with you guys. But really, it will benefit you to look into this, do your research, determine which ones you want to get in on. I'm holding Bitcoin and Ethereum long term. My short term goals in 6 months is to have 10 Bitcoin, 100 Ethereum. I'm over halfway there, guys. That's pretty insane. For the short amount of time that I've been doing this, I started February 2nd trading. I started buying Bitcoin in 2015, the summer of 2015. Maybe it was April or so. But guys, you got to get in, and if you know anybody that wants to get in, we're breaking the internet doing it. So just give it a little bit of time and work through these hoops that you got to jump through. But it's worth it. It's worth going in because this is still early adoption. All these hoops, there's a reason it's this difficult, because not a lot of people are doing it. Once this becomes more mainstream, it's going to be easier and easier to buy cryptocurrencies. It's going to be easier and easier to change within the markets. Think about eBay and Amazon, how they have really streamlined the process of buying and selling things, and that's the similar things are happening in the cryptocurrency market. We're still in the early years. Bitcoin's only been around 7 years or so, and so this is really early. It's like the early years of the internet, and so as it increases, these prices are going to keep going up. Bitcoin's going to keep reducing in volume, and it's going to be more and more demand. So, man, it's worth getting into, and it's worth doing the research and finding out. And listen, guys, there are going to be people that are going to tell you this is a scam. This is, not legitimate. This is you're crazy for putting your money this way, and it's because they're not as informed. Honestly, I've done my research, and my bank account will prove the fact that it's legitimate. I have pulled money out of the bank, thousands of dollars at a time, out of my crypto wallet, so it's not just something that's, magic money in an account that isn't there. It is there, and I've pulled my money to prove it, and I've shown you guys actually, snapshots of my bank account where it shows the deposit. So it's a real deal, guys, and it's worth investing in. And so for those naysayers, tell them to do more research. Honestly, I think when they do, they'll see the legitimacy of it, and the big players in the industry are saying it's real and it's worth looking into. So guys, if you have any questions, you can email me at myquicktip@gmail.com. Yeah. I'm trying to remember all these emails, man. I'm setting up multiple accounts now. You can email me at myquicktip@gmail.com. Or you can hit me up on Facebook. You can hit me up on, I did set up another YouTube channel, howtobuycrypto.com. You can type that in, and I'm moving all my videos over there. So it's one place to look for them instead of I have multiple accounts on YouTube, because I'm a pretty active user and video content creator. So I do a lot of different things. If you guys have followed me through my other processes, through podcasting and photography and videography and jiu-jitsu and paintball and a bunch of other things. I'm a passionate guy, and so when I learn something new, I'm trying to have fun with it and show other people what I'm doing. And so anyway, that's howtobuycrypto.com. You can find that on YouTube, and join the My Quick Tip Investing group on Facebook. But there's so much valuable information. I don't know if you guys understand. Somebody getting in new to this will benefit so much from all these first few steps that you've already taken. If you've already bought Bitcoin and you've already moved it to another exchange, you're like 100 times ahead of the next person. So share your information as people are asking questions. I try and do the same thing. You guys are messaging me like crazy, and I'm trying to respond to everybody. So please be patient with me as these exchanges are getting overloaded. So am I. But if you need some private time, some private consulting, we can discuss a fee on that. Josh Johnson as well is doing it. So you guys let me know if you want to be on an email list. Hit me up, and we'll let you know when our next webinar is. I'm really excited to talk to you guys about crypto. I'm really excited to see these changes and these gains that everybody's getting. Let me know how many percentage your portfolio is up, or how many percentage one of your investments is up. I get really excited to share and talk about those things. I've been doing well, and I hope you guys are too. I'll talk to you later.